Imagine a world where your own personal robot, like R2-D2 or C-3PO, is folding your laundry, cooking your dinner, or even helping your grandma remember her meds, all for less than the price of a car. Sounds like sci-fi, right? But I'm Danny, and I'm here to tell you that Tesla's Optimus Gen 3 is making that dream real, and it's sparking both excitement and a bit of worry. Will these bots be our trusty sidekicks or something straight out of Terminator? Let's dive into what Optimus can do, why it matters, and how it might change your life. Welcome to Auto Intel, where we break down the coolest tech in cars and robots. If you love futuristic stuff like this, hit that subscribe button. We're pushing to hit 1,000 subscribers, and we need your help. Picture this: a robot buddy that costs around $2,000 to $3,000, cheaper than most cars, doing your chores or helping out at work. Growing up with Star Wars, the idea of a robot pal like C-3PO or R2-D2 probably feels thrilling but a tad unrealistic. Yet, Elon Musk is betting big that Tesla's Optimus Gen 3 will make humanoid robots a reality in our homes and workplaces. Every time Tesla shows off a new trick Optimus can do, folks online buzz with a mix of awe and unease. Are these bots about to become our teammates, or are we staring down a future where they snag our jobs? Those concerns make total sense. Every tech leap stirs up questions about how it'll shake up daily life. That's why Tesla's latest reveal of Optimus Gen 3 is such a big deal. This bot isn't just a fancy prototype anymore, it's tackling 1,000 different household tasks and showing off balance that's practically Olympic level. In Tesla's newest videos, Optimus is hauling trash bags, flipping open lids, sweeping crumbs, vacuuming floors, tearing off paper towels, stirring soup, and even picking out the right Model X part in a factory, all powered by one slick neural network. It's got a 1,000-task playbook and is gearing up for factory production by the fourth quarter of 2025. Another clip shows it striding up loose gravel, slipping, catching itself, and keeping on like a pro hiker. This bot's got athlete grade, balance, no strings attached in real-world tests. Stick with me as we unpack what those 1,000 skills mean, whether you're hyped, curious, or already budgeting for your own robot roommate. This is the moment that could redefine what a household appliance really means. While everyone's eyes are glued to Tesla's upcoming robotaxi, the Cybercab, set to roll out right on schedule today, June 12, 2025, Optimus is quietly leveling up in the background. This bot's racking up new skills, sharper precision, and more independence behind the scenes. From day one, Optimus was built to be a household helper. In Tesla's demo clips, it's doing stuff like cleaning, serving drinks, grabbing packages, and watering plants. Musk's big vision? If Optimus can nail these useful tasks, all 8 billion people on Earth might want one. Think about it. Your daily grind, cleaning, cooking, washing dishes, or even looking after loved ones, handled by a $2,000 robot. Optimus runs for nearly 10 hours straight, powered by Tesla's cutting-edge 4680 battery with an AI brain and top-notch sensors that let it tackle jobs with pinpoint accuracy and adapt on the fly. It's the most advanced version yet, folding clothes, watering plants, handling delicate stuff like eggs or battery cells, and even using a computer. It can dance, squat, and stroll through an office with a walk so smooth it feels human. Imagine it in a clothing store, folding thousands of shirts daily, or in your kitchen, whipping up breakfast sandwiches for the kids every morning. Using just one neural network, Optimus crushes household chores like sweeping, microwaving meals, vacuuming, or picking up trash. It's also proving its worth in factories, organizing parts like grabbing a Model X front linkage and placing it on a cart. You might think, someone's just telling it what to do, and you're not wrong. A simple voice command like, grab the broom and sweep, is all it takes, and Optimus nails it. Unlike older models that relied on one hand, this bot uses both, making it way more capable. If you're digging this deep dive into Optimus, don't forget to subscribe to Auto Intel. We're chasing 1,000 subscribers, and your support means the world. So, how does Optimus learn all this? It's kind of like how you'd watch a YouTube tutorial to fix a leaky pipe or bake a cake. For Optimus, it starts with basic tasks: taking out trash, pulling curtains, stirring a pot, or vacuuming. Show it how, and it's off to the races. Want it to cook a steak? Tesla has it watch a chef's video, then practice in a virtual world billions of times, tweaking cuts, seasoning, and cooking methods. Each flop teaches the AI something new until it hits a 99% success rate. Then, it's ready to grill in real life. This learning trick lets Optimus pick up skills way faster than old-school robots, making it a game-changer. It's no stretch to say it could learn 1,000 new tasks a day. Simple ones, mind you, like wiping tables, cleaning chairs, dusting cabinets, or sweeping floors, not gourmet cooking. A huge upgrade in Gen 3 is its voice feature, confirmed by Musk himself. Unlike the silent Gen 2, this bot chats in 15 languages with 95% speech recognition accuracy and 90% gesture reading skills, picking up on body language like a pro. Its AI tailors its tone, attitude, and speech to match who it's talking to, your age, mood, or situation. For folks with memory issues, Optimus is a lifesaver, gently nudging them to take meds, keep appointments, or stick to routines like eating or shutting off appliances. For seniors living alone, it's more than a helper. It's a buddy who chats, recalls memories, or just listens, making them feel connected. Optimus isn't just about chores. It's a companion, caregiver, and even a bit of an emotional therapist. While mopping, folding laundry, or cooking, it can take new commands or pivot in real time. It cooks personalized meals, scanning ingredients with chemical sensors to dodge allergens or meet dietary needs, like low-sodium pasta for someone with high blood pressure. Its recipe database and thermal sensors nail perfect cooking every time. Cleaning? Optimus maps your home with 360-degree sensors, spotting dirt and dodging obstacles, saving you 20 hours of chores a week. Its AI prioritizes messy spots and picks up tiny stuff like crumbs or toys with precision. For people with Parkinson's, its steady hands make tough tasks, like buttoning shirts or pouring water, doable again. For those with memory loss, it sparks cognitive function by prompting them to recall names or stories, keeping their minds sharp. Loneliness isn't just being alone, it's missing connection. Optimus fills that gap with natural, engaging chats. You can customize its personality and voice, and over time it learns your preferences so well you barely need to ask, it just gets you. Its super smart AI brain, which Musk calls the world's top robotic brain, answers questions fast. In Tesla's pics, it's typing, using a mouse, holding a phone, or even writing with a pen. In an office, it could reply to emails, contact partners, manage schedules, or take meeting notes, making it a legit assistant that boosts your workday. Optimus is also watchful. 8 wide-angle cameras and sensors give it a 360-degree view, spotting sketchy gestures, weapons, or strangers in real time. If something's off, it pings you or security before trouble hits. It's walk smart, too, gliding on flat floors to save power or flexing for traction on ramps like a hiker. At home, it ties into Tesla's smart network, dimming lights, adjusting thermostats, locking doors, or topping up your power wall, all hands-free. Its 7-inch torso touchscreen or voice updates keep you in the loop without hovering. Spill a drink or bump a chair. Optimus cleans up, dodges obstacles, and recharges itself. Gen 3 is 100 times faster than Gen 2, per Tesla's Q1 2025 earnings call. They're prepping a pilot production line in Fremont to churn out thousands of bots across their North American factories by year-end. Powered by the same FSD chip as Tesla's self-driving cars, tuned for robotics, it crunches hundreds of thousands of operations per second, refreshing its control loop 400 to 500 times a second. That's why it can catch a wobble and fix its footing before you blink. Balance is everything for a two-legged bot. A clumsy one won't cut it in a busy home or factory. In Tesla's December 2024 hill climb video, Optimus trudged up gravel, slipped, flailed an arm like a tightrope walker, and recovered without help. Another clip showed it spinning, squatting, and doing hip-hop moves on concrete, no tethers or crash pads needed. High-torque servos and AI predict its center of gravity, keeping it steady. Early bots moved at 1 meter per second, about 2.2 miles per hour. Gen 3 aims for 2 to 3 meters per second, fast enough to keep up with a strolling human or shuttle parts in a factory without slowing things down. Lighter actuators, better gears, and smarter path planning software make it zippy. Production's already humming at Giga Texas, where engineers hand-built over 100 bots to test a modular design that snaps together fast. Musk says the pilot line will ramp up in 2025, targeting 5,000 units by year-end, 5,000 to 100,000 in 2026, and 5,000 to 1 million by 2027. Every bot faces a grueling 72-hour test, torque checks, sensor drills, latency tests, and non-stop tasks in factories, warehouses, and mock homes. Only the tough ones earn the Optimus badge. Gen 3's rated for over 2,000 working hours, about a decade at 8 hours a day, twice the life of many industrial bots. To keep costs low, Tesla's sourcing magnets from Australia and Canada and testing rare earth-free motors. In factories, Optimus already moves parts, helps assemble, and checks quality, giving engineers data to tweak hardware and code. This bot's not just a showpiece, it's a fast-learning, self-balancing machine set to reshape work and home life before 2030. When a robot learns 1,000 tasks a day and balances like an athlete, should we high-five it or worry about a power we can't tame? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Why should you care? Optimus Gen 3 isn't just tech hype, it's a glimpse at a future where robots handle the grunt work, leaving you time for what matters. Whether it's freeing up 20 hours of chores, helping loved ones stay independent, or boosting factory efficiency. This bot could redefine normal. It's not perfect yet. Complex tasks like gourmet cooking are still out of reach, but its 1,000 daily skills, voice smarts, and crazy balance make it a serious player. If you're stoked about a world where robots are teammates, not threats, or just curious how this fits into Tesla's big picture alongside the Cybercab, this is your moment to stay in the loop. Love this kind of tech talk? Subscribe to Auto Intel and help us hit 1,000 subscribers. We're counting on you. If you want more on Tesla's EVs or Optimus, smash that like button, share this video, and turn on notifications so you never miss a drop. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.